Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders. Back at our job site again today, Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley. Episode 15. We have cabinets being installed today. I'm so excited that Dan with New Creations is here to start this fantastic cabinet install. He's going to be here for a few days, but I wanted to catch him on the front side because we have paint complete. Our initial phase of paint with all the walls and ceilings is complete, and they've done such a good job. I want to walk you around the space. First, here's Dan starting in our kitchen space. Oh, we so appreciate him. But can you see all the paint is done? These walls look so good. All the new paint color. We used Canvas Tan in the majority of the living space from Sherwin-Williams. It's a nice neutral beigey color with an undertone, green gray undertone to it. So it's just so good for that soft undertone to all the things we're putting in here. In this laundry room space, we used a Sherwin-Williams Agreeable Gray. It goes fantastic with these white cabinets and these light concrete looking quartz countertops. But that's our other color in the house, is that Agreeable Gray by Sherwin-Williams. Here we are in the front entry of the house, walking into the big living room space. Those walls look so nice. They were a little bit yellow before, so now you can really see just more of a neutral backdrop with this Canvas Tan. It looks so nice walking through this house. And then we're here in the bathroom. Gosh, it looks a little bit pink, but this is the Agreeable Gray also. I think that's some reflection of the lights in this space. Looks so good. We've painted all the interior doors. So as you'll notice here in this hallway, this door that was here, that was a stained door before, and now we've gone through and painted them all so that they'll be the trim color. That's the same case here with all these doors in this ensuite bathroom, bedroom. We're going to have cabinets here in just a few days. Dan will be working through all the spaces. I just got done walking through the space with Chuck for Metzger's paint. He walked through it with us so that we could see all the things. Just looks so good. I'm so excited. And look, we can't even tell definition on this wall back here. This is our big, beautiful master bedroom wall that used to have a fireplace on it. An unsafe fireplace on it, I must say, but a fireplace on it. And then look at these shutters. These shutters almost match exactly our wall color, which is just incredible to believe. We didn't even anticipate that being the case. Here we are, master bathroom. It's all painted also. This wall over here is the wall that we get windows in for this coming week. In the process of realizing the size of the space, our homeowners asked if we could either expand this door or add a couple windows to this wall. And due to all the things, it was more about letting the light in and seeing the view. So we are just adding a couple of fixed panel windows to either side of that sliding glass door, so that we'll be able to see through to the outside a little bit better and capture that view that's so beautiful that our homeowners work so diligently on. Oh my goodness sakes. Friends, can you believe all the progress so far? Oh my gosh, it's so exciting for Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley. Thank you for being on this journey with us. We really appreciate you.